Magandang hapon po ng April 21, 2026 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 21, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, April 21, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 21, 2026, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, April 21, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 21, 2026, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.